Here are some exercises to help you keep up with your grandkids. The first one is to keep your shoulders nice and strong. So we're just going to hold on to a TheraBand on one foot and hold on with the same side hand. And we're just going to pop him up into the air, keeping the shoulders down and back, and come back down. The second one, we're going to come into a lunge. So I want you to pop one foot diagonally from the chair, coming down on the back leg, keeping your hand on the chair just so we don't fall. The third one, we're going to come onto the chair again, popping our TheraBand behind us and just pushing through. These TheraBands are really helpful with your strengthening. You can find them at Rebel Sport or Kmart even, and they are different colors based on different strengths. So the green one is a medium. And if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and like, and I will see you on the next one.